In this video, I want to show you how to make your Android phone faster. If your Android phone is lagging behind or is not as fast as it ought to be, in this video I want to show you how to make it faster. To do that, just come to settings, then scroll down and go to system. This is it, system. Then click on developer options. Scroll down to draw section. This is it, drawing. Make sure you are at this drawing. Come to window animation scale, this one. If you notice something here, you see animation scale is 1x. So click on this animation scale. By default is animation scale 1x. So to make your Android faster, you can change it to 0.5x. So similarly, come to transition animation scale. If you look at it, it's also 1x. So click on it and change it to 0.5x. So after these settings, your Android phone should be relatively faster than it used to be. So this is how to make your Android faster. Thank you for watching.